Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we have two boxes in front of us, and one of these devices in these two boxes are a rare one. So let's open it up. So let's open this one first. Alright, let's see what we got here. And we can tell what it is. I think you can. It's an iPhone 4. Let's first sanitize the phone. Alright, so this is a no SIM card tray iPhone 4, which means it's only one thing. This is the CDMA version of the iPhone 4, and you can see in fact up there's no antenna line compared to a regular iPhone 4. You can see the up top there, we got an antenna line. This one we don't have an antenna line, and it looks like from here, you know, of the 4S antenna band until you see right here, you don't see a SIM tray. Yeah, this is the Verizon CDMA model of the iPhone 4. Let's just turn it on here. Alright, it's turning on. It says waiting for activation. The password is 1234. Yes. This is, let me go to the control center. Oh, lag. This is why we downgrade this iPhone 4, because it is quite laggy on iOS 7. 16GB on 7.1.2. Let's check home button. Oh. And it's just crashed. It's just crashed. Oh, there you go. Oh. Will it work? Oh. It's tweaking. Nah, he's tweaking. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, home button. Okay, it works. I thought it's gonna be tweaking again. Volume buttons. Vibrate. This is how I check these used devices. Oh, vibrate. The vibrate is not working, the switch. So yeah, the reason why I got this iPhone 4, because I'm gonna make a downgrade tutorial on the CDMA iPhone 4, because throughout all the downgrade videos that I made, the only iPhone 4 that compatible is the iPhone 3.1, which is the 16GB or the 32GB iPhone 4. Now on to the second package, which is a special package. Okay, let's open up the Smart Bulb box from down here, I guess. Alright. And it's just jam-packed right inside there, huh? So let's see here. We got a little peek of the phone and everything packed inside here. And we got what looks to be a cable. I'm not gonna even bother to opening it up. And here's the iPhone 4. Ooh, look at that. And this one is a special one. Alright, let me sanitize it, of course. Because whenever you guys bought something used, electronics especially, you know, you don't know where they belong. So make sure to clean them, to sanitize them nice and good, because you don't want to get sick, okay? Alright, from the looks of it, it's have a decent, it's in decent shape. As you can see there, this is a normal 3.1 iPhone 4. SIM card tray and all that, but what's special is when we turn it on, you guys will see. And look at that, it got the classic Apple logo. Oh, we got some line on the top. Oh, okay, looks like the lines are gone. Yeah, the lines are gone, so this looks like a glitch. Yeah, they're gone. Okay, so let's unlock it. Boom! Look at this, guys. Let me go to settings. This is in Indonesia, right? About. Look at that. A 4.0.1 iPhone 4. Yes, you can see from the booting up, this is not downgraded. Because actually, if you downgrade it, you get a flash of the iOS 7 logo, and then it will flash back to the old classic Apple logo. But this one is not downgraded, guys. And look at that. We have trillions of apps, a lot of classic games. Wow, amazing. Wow, it's just never gonna stop. Tap tap. You guys remember that, man? Before they got taken out from the App Store? Yes? So this is, in fact, it's already jailbroken too. Look at that, we got Cydia. Everything's working, nice. Let's try home button. It works great. Power button, we can already see it works. Volume buttons. And the vibrate. Oh, this one works. So yes, I can't believe it. Throughout all these times, I downgraded so many iPhone 4 to iOS 5, to iOS 4, and now I actually got an iPhone 4 that is actually on iOS 4. Look at that, 4.0.1. Alright, I just changed the language to English, but this iPhone, the more I look at it, it looks mint, man. It looks mint. I mean, usually iPhone 4. Let me see the white one real quick. Yeah, you can see right down there, we got some kind of dirt, you know, with wear and tear of the iPhone been used. But this one, I don't see any dirt. Maybe teeny tiny, but not as much as this one. So this iPhone looks like it is barely used. Amazing, huh? I can't believe it. That I found an iPhone 4 on iOS 4 in my country because everybody likes to update this iPhone 4. I mean, look at this iPhone 4. It's on iOS 7. Everybody updates this iPhone 4, right? Because they want WhatsApp application and all that. So it's a rare that I found one on iOS 4. Let's see if it... Oh, it doesn't have music. But we have some games. We have an iPhone 4 with a bunch of apps. This is a score. This is a score, alright? Throughout all the times, I downgraded an iPhone 4. In fact, I'm going to make another one with this CDMA A iPhone 4. And I found one on iOS 4.0.1, undowngraded at all. Alright, plain old stock on iOS 4. This is... It's crazy, really, it's crazy. Alright guys, so that's all for the video. Unboxing this two iPhone 4. One is a boring CDMA iPhone 4, 3.3, and one is a running iOS 4.0.1. I mean, look at this. In the same picture, the first version of iOS on the iPhone 4 versus the last version of iOS on the iPhone 4. It's crazy, man. I still can't believe it. The fact that I found this iPhone 4 on iOS 4 because I'm trying to search for the CDMA one because, you know, it's quite rare to find a CDMA one. But then I found it. But at the same time, I found this iOS 4 one. I was like, I gotta do it, man. You know, I gotta do it, man. I mean, iOS 4. iOS 4. So, alright, I'm gonna stop talking here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.